everyone. I was cleaning my makeup brushes, and from the looks of them you can tell that I have needed to clean them for quite some time. I let them go over a little bit too long, but I was cleaning them and wanted to show y'all how I clean my makeup brushes in case you was needing some information on cleaning brushes. So I just use some lukewarm water. Get this. Let me put that one right here, and then I will get this one. Lukewarm water. I get the brush wet, and just any type of mild dish soap in your hand. You rub your brush over like your fingers where you can get through the brush really good. And you just want to rinse it with lukewarm water. Okay, shake it out, and I just pat it, squeeze it off a little bit. You want to use old towels. I roll it in one, just kind of press it together, let it dry a little bit. You want to use old towels because if you got any makeup left on them in there, or on the shaft of them that you haven't got off real good, it will get on your towel, so you don't want to mess your good towels up. And then I'm just laying them over here to dry. I am laying them down more this way. I've got my cutting boards under here, so I lay them down where they're on a tilt this way, so the water doesn't get down in here to where the if you turn them this way, if there's any water in there, it can get down in here, which can ruin your brush because that's where the glue is that hold the bristles in. So I want to put them like that. And then when I get through with all of them, I'm going to take them into my bathroom, and I'm going to lay them on my vanity like so, with the bristles off, so nothing's underneath there, so the bristles will dry real good and real fast. And let me see. Oh Lord, this is my beautiful pink Avon sponge. Remember how pretty and pink it was? It's not anymore, but you have to use it. It has to get dirty to use it. So just some lukewarm water, and with your sponges, you just want to use a mild bar soap, and just kind of wash them both together and squeeze. You see that's all coming out. And you want to do this regularly. I have not got mine done regularly. I've been behind. But you want to do it regularly because it will keep bacteria away, keep any kind of, don't want to get any kind of eye infection, pink eye, anything like that from makeup brushes. And don't share your brushes with anyone. That's a big thing too. Make sure you keep your brushes, and you don't share. Be selfish. Don't share your brushes. Everybody can have their own. So I wanted to see how clean that's coming. And just keep, all thing you do, just keep putting the soap on it. And squeezing. And letting the water run through it until all that comes off. And the water is running clear. Like I about got it there. And of course it won't be the pink color it was when I bought it, nor will the bristles be the white color on the end of your brushes like they was when you first got them. They will be a little bit stained on the ends where you've been using them, but that's okay as long as you've got any of the new, any of the loose makeup out of there, and get them all cleaned to where they all run good and clear. And I'm going to give it a little rinse with some cold water. And that's it. I'm going to finish up the rest of these here. And I will see you all later. Thanks for watching.
I got it.
Thank you, babe.
I hope it turns out good.
Thank you, babe.